Good morning, students. Last class, I told definition of composite functions. At the same time, I finished some questions on composite functions also. That is, I collected those questions from exercise 1.3. Next, today also we are going to solving problems on composite functions from the exercise 1.3 here. First question is, let f comma g and h, let f comma g and h are the three functions, defined from R to R, capital letter R to capital letter R. R means here set of all real numbers. R means here set of all real numbers. R to R. Then show that f plus g, first question is f plus g circle h is equal to f circle h plus g circle h here. Second question, f dot g, f into g, like f dot g, this is f into g circle h is equal to f circle h into g circle h here. That is. Now test, we are going to giving a proof for these two questions. The first proof is f plus g of circle h is equal to f circle g plus f circle h plus g circle h. Solution for this question is, consider f plus g circle h of x is equal to f plus g of h of x. Because I applied the formula here, f circle g of x, instead of f plus g you consider f and h as g. F plus g of circle h of x is equal to f plus g of h of x. Now separate them, plus is there, just take multiplication with f plus and take multiplication with g also here, like this, f of h of x plus, next another one is g of h of x. Here I told some formulas. Now we have to apply these types of formulas here. One side I am going to writing formulas here. F circle h of x is equal to f of h of x. Next one is g circle h of x. G circle h of x is equal to g of h of x. F circle g of x, f circle g of x, f of g of x, or g circle f of x, g circle f of x is equal to g of f of x. Like that we defined here different types of functions. First, f of h of x Corresponding to f of h of x, what we can write here? F circle h of x. That's why instead of this we can write here f circle h of x plus g of h of x. Corresponding to g of h of x is g circle h of x. That is equal to f plus g of circle h of x is equal to, take x common here, f circle h plus g circle h of x. By taking cancellations, but we should not get cancelled here, just we consider, just we can imagine left cancellation, right cancellation law, because they are at right hand side of these functions. Now for this function x presents right hand side, and for this function x presents right hand side. That's what you considered, or you can imagine by taking a right cancellation law. By taking right cancellation law, you will get here f plus g of circle h is equal to f circle h plus g circle h. Answer f plus g of circle h is equal to f circle h plus g circle h. That's why LH is equal to RHS. For first question, we considered left hand side part. That is, left hand side part means here f plus g of circle h of x, and with help of that we proved here right hand side f circle h plus g circle h. Similarly, in the same way, next let us we are going to giving proof for second question concept also here. See here, first question was over, next second question. Second question is f dot g circle h of x is equal to f circle h into g circle h. How to prove this? Consider LHS part. Consider left hand side part here. Left hand side part is f dot g, f into g circle h of x. H of x is equal to f into g of h of x. We can write f of h of x one is, another one is we can write g of h of x. We can take in functions also, no problem. F of x into y is equal to f of x into f of y. In case of functions we can take like that also. In case of addition also, in case of addition also, f plus g of x, f of x plus g of x. In case of product of two functions also, f of x into y is equal to f of x into f of y we can take. According to that, we can write f of h of x. For f of h of x, we can write f circle h of x. F circle h of x here. G of h of x, for g of h of x, g circle h of x. G circle h of x. We can take common in case of functions also. That's what we can write like this: f into g. F into g means f dot g of circle h of x is equal to f circle h into g circle h of x, because the variable present at the right hand side of the functions on both sides. Here also variable x present at the right hand side of this function. Here also x present at the right hand side of this total function. Like by taking right cancellation law, then the variable x will get cancelled. Then finally you will get this result. We can write here f dot g of circle h is equal to f circle h into g circle h. It is the proof for second question. F into g circle h is equal to f circle h into g circle h. Like that we gave these two are theorems or two important results. To these two results I gave proof, and how we are giving a solution of proof also I told. Similarly, the same way we are going to giving some more different types of questions in this exercise. Let us be discussing about them now. Next question. Find G circle F and F circle G. Find G circle F and F circle G. Find G circle F and F circle G if first question they are giving here. First question, f of x is equal to modulus of x, and g of x is equal to modulus of 5x minus 2. Next, second question is also is there. Then after completion of this we'll discuss about second question. F of x is equal to modulus of x and g of x is equal to modulus of 5x minus 2 here. Consider first g circle f of x. First question. Solution for this question is, first we should write the solution. Let the given functions f of x is equal to modulus of x, g of x is equal to modulus of 5x minus 2. Consider g circle f of x is equal to g of f of x. That is g circle f of x formula is g of f of x. Find g circle f means we have to find g circle f of x only, because why we are taking x means here for the given two functions variable is x, because they define in the variable x only. That's why simply we are not taking g circle f here. That's what we can take g circle f nothing but g circle f of x. For that only I have taken here G circle f of x here. G of f of x. For f of x they gave modulus of x. Modulus of f of x here. Yes. What is g of x here? Modulus of 5x minus 2 here. G of x is modulus of 5 minus 2. That is g of modulus of x is modulus of 5 into modulus of x minus 2. G of x is modulus of 5x minus 2. G of modulus of x is the modulus of 5. Instead of x, we are going to take modulus of x minus 2. That's why it is the G circle f of x. Then afterwards, one more question is there, f circle g of x. F circle g of x means for that also we are going to applying the same formula f circle g of x. Second question, f circle g of x. Consider f circle g of x. F circle g of x is equal to f of g of x. F of what is g of x? Modulus of 5x minus 2 here. What is f of x? Modulus of x. Totally x terms we have modulus of 5x minus 2. But f of x modulus of x means modulus first you should write. X is there, for that we have written x. But instead of x we have modulus of 5x minus 2 here. It is f circle g of x. Like that here we defined f circle g of x, and before that I told g circle f of x also. Next we are going to giving a proof for second question. In second question they are asking here, just I gave answer for first question, and one more question is also there under the main question number 2. Yes. Question number 2 is f of x is equal to 8x cube. F of x equal to 8x cube and g of x equal to x to the power of 1 by 3, and g of x is equal to x to the power of 1 by 3. With the help of these two functions, here we have to find g circle f and f circle g here. How we are finding here? First one is g circle f. Solution for this question is let the given two functions f of x is equal to 8x cube and g of x is equal to x to the power of 1 by 3. Here. First one is g circle f of x and second one is f circle g of x here. Same concepts. G circle f of x is g of f of x. F circle g of x is f of g of x. Like that we have to apply those two types of formulas here for this question. Now let us, the first question is G circle F. For that we are going to taking consider G circle f of x is equal to G of f of x. G of what is f of x here? 8x cube. What is g of x here? X to the power of 1 by 3. That is, instead of x we have 8x. 8x cube whole to the power of 1 by 3. That's why 8x cube can be written as, we can write 8x cube as 2x whole cube whole to the power of 1 by 3. Now 3 gets cancelled. Is equal to, you are getting here 2x. Therefore, G circle f of x is equal to 2x. Next, one more. Second question is there. What is second question? F circle g of x. Here I am doing. Consider, second question is, consider f circle g of x. F circle g of x is equal to, we can write here f of g of x. F of, what is g of x? X to the power of 1 by 3 here. What is f of x? 8x cube. 8 into, in variable place, see here, if you can observe, f of x equal to 8x cube. F of y is equal to 8y cube. F of z is equal to 8z cube. Similarly, in the same way, f of x to the power of 1 by 3 becomes 8x whole to the power 8 into x cube whole to the power of 1 by 3. X cube, it is x cube whole to the power of 1 by 3 here. Now 3 gets cancelled. Answer is 8x. Is equal to f circle g of x. F circle g of x is equal to 8x. Like that, we found that f circle g also here. G circle f of x is 2x. F circle g of x is 8x. Like that, we are giving solution for given two composition functions g circle f and f circle g. And before that also we did two questions. That is, we defined g circle f and f circle g for the given two functions. Now let us, we are going to starting one more question. Next question is, f of x is equal to 4x plus 3. F of x is equal to 4x plus 3 whole dividing by 6x minus 4. Come on, where x is not equal to 2 by 3. By 3. Then show that f circle f of x is equal to x. And second question is, and what is the inverse of f? What is the inverse of f means nothing but find the inverse of the function. What is the inverse of f? What is the inverse of f? Here also they are asking two questions. F circle f of x is equal to x. At the same time, we are going to finding inverse of function also. Solution for this question is, let the given function f of x equal to 4x plus 3 whole dividing by 6x minus 4 here. Equation number 1 this is. Consider f circle f of x. F circle f of x equal to f of x. F circle f of x. First question is f circle f of x is f of x. F of, what is f of x here? 4x plus 3 whole dividing by 6x minus 4. And again f of 4x plus 3 by 6x minus 4. X means here x is there. But totally x place we have 4x plus 3 by 6x minus 4. That's why once again we are going to substituting this in place of x. It is the 4 into 4x plus 3 whole dividing by 6x minus 4 plus 3 whole dividing by 6 into 4x plus 3 whole dividing by 6x minus 4 minus 4. See here, LCM for numerator and denominator here. LCM for numerator is 6x minus 4 and taking cross multiplication. If there is no nothing means we consider it is 1 here. 4 4 is 16x and 4 3 is 12. Taking cross multiplication, 3 into 6, 18x. 3 into minus 4, minus 12 here. Whole dividing by, here also LCM for denominator is 6x minus 4. Taking here also there is nothing, and down means you considered 1. Taking cross, 6 4 is 24x. 6 is 18. Minus 4 into 6 minus 24x. Minus 4 into minus 4 plus 16. And both gets cancelled here. Plus 12 minus 4 gets cancelled. Plus 24x minus 24 gets cancelled. Is equal to 34x whole dividing by 34. Because 16x plus 18x is 34x. In place of denominator we have 18 plus 16 is the 34, and 34 gets cancelled, you will get x. Therefore we can write f circle f of x equal to x. At the same time they are asking inverse function also. Inverse function means how to find inverse function by applying the formula f of x is equal to y here. Let us we are going to finding inverse of the given function here. Inverse of the function. inverse of the function. Let the given function f of x equal to 4x plus 3 whole dividing by 6x minus 4. Consider f of x equal to y, that is implies x equal to f inverse of y. It is the equation number 1 here. F of x means we have 4x plus 3 whole dividing by 6x minus 4 is equal to y. Here there is no anything means we considered 1 here. Taking cross multiplication, 4x plus 3 is equal to y into, otherwise directly you can take multiplication here, 6xy minus 4y here. Send x terms one side, send remaining terms one side. That is the 4x minus 6xy is equal to minus 4y minus 3 here. Take x common from left hand side part. If you can take x common, then you will get 4 minus 6y is equal to minus 4y minus 3 here. Send this term that side, it becomes divisor of right hand side term, that is the minus 4y minus 3 whole dividing by 4 minus 6y. In place of x from equation 1 we considered f inverse of y is equal to minus take common from numerator, you will get 4y plus 3 whole dividing by, take minus common from denominator also, it becomes 6y minus 4 and minus gets cancelled here. Y means y terms are there because they asked the problem in terms of x. That's why we are going to converting y terms into x terms. That's what here, instead of y we are going to putting x here. For this we can write f inverse of x is equal to 4x plus 3 whole dividing by 6x minus 4. But it is the given function, already f of x. That's what we can consider f inverse of x equal to f of x. It is the process to find the inverse of the given function. Inverse of function and the given function both are giving same. That's what here f inverse of x equal to 4x plus 3 whole dividing by 6x minus 4. That is f inverse of x equal to f of x. Like that today we have finished up some problems on composite functions like 2 results and how to find out g circle f of x and how to find f circle g of x, even how to show that f circle of x is equal to x. To that we found that inverse of function also. That I have finished all types of questions from exercise 1.3. Next class I am going to starting that next lesson is binary operations. About that next class we will discuss. Thank you very much.